Hi guys, so this is the look that I'll be teaching you how to do today. I hope you guys like it and keep watching. Now I take a little clean brush and I take the concealer and I put it in the middle. Now that that is ready, I'm gonna put that shade on the lid. Okay. Now that I've packed it on, we are going to blend it just so it's smooth around the dark color. So we're gonna blend it so it doesn't look like a freaking box, right? So we are going to blend it. There we go. Now that that's blended, should be good. Just gonna clean up the edges so the dark doesn't go away. And I'm gonna blend. We're gonna use that burnt orange, that light one, on there. The whole thing, just so I can have a base color. We're gonna take that regal one and put it in the outer edge, on the inner edge, and on the outer edge, just so it mixes with the color on the top. And then you put the shiny color right in the middle between those two. Make sure you blend just so it doesn't look like three colors just patted on. It has to look smooth and like it's merging into the other one. We have the color done at least. I'm gonna do my lashes and then I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I did my highlight and my eyelashes off of camera, so I finished it up and this is the final result and I hope you guys really like it. And let me know if you want to see more stuff, okay?